Hey there, Survival Scope community. Larry here, and today we're tackling a crucial topic that affects millions of our elderly loved ones living in cities worldwide. We're diving into 10 serious threats that seniors face in urban environments, and more importantly, how to prepare for them. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things survival and preparedness. Now let's get started with a sobering fact. Over 80% of seniors living in cities face at least one of these threats daily. That's right, and it's time we shed some light on these challenges and arm ourselves with knowledge. Threat number 1. Our first threat is a big one: falls and accidents. Uneven sidewalks, crowded streets, and poorly lit areas can turn a simple walk into a dangerous obstacle course for our elderly. But here's what we can do. Encourage seniors to use mobility aids like canes or walkers. Advocate for better street lighting and sidewalk maintenance in your community. Install grab bars and non-slip mats in homes. Remember, prevention is key. A little preparation can go a long way in avoiding these accidents. Threat number 2. Next up, we have social isolation. In the hustle and bustle of city life, it's easy for seniors to feel left behind and lonely. Here are some solutions. Encourage participation in community centers or senior groups. Set up regular video calls with family and friends. Consider adopting a pet for companionship. Technology can be a great tool here. Even a simple smartphone can open up a world of connection for an isolated senior. Threat number 3, crime and scams. Unfortunately, seniors are often targeted by criminals and scammers, but we're not going to let them win. Let's talk prevention. Educate seniors about common scams, especially phone and internet fraud. Encourage them to never give out personal information over the phone. Install security systems in their homes. Teach them to always be aware of their surroundings when out and about. Remember, a cautious senior is a safe senior. Threat number 4, extreme weather. From scorching heat waves to freezing winter storms, urban seniors face unique challenges during extreme weather. Here's how to weather any storm. Ensure proper insulation and functioning heating, cooling systems. Create an emergency kit with essentials like water, non-perishable food, and medications. Set up a buddy system to check on seniors during extreme weather events. Being prepared can literally be a lifesaver in these situations. Threat number 5, limited access to healthcare. Navigating the urban healthcare system can be overwhelming, but it's crucial for seniors' well-being. Try these strategies. Research and list nearby healthcare facilities. Set up telemedicine options for routine checkups. Organize transportation to and from medical appointments. Keep a detailed medical history and medication list handy. Remember, good health is wealth, especially for our seniors. Threat number 6, nutritional deficiencies. Food deserts and mobility issues can lead to poor nutrition among urban seniors. Here are some tasty solutions. Arrange for grocery delivery services. Teach seniors about easy, nutritious meals they can prepare. Consider meal delivery programs like Meals on Wheels. Encourage container gardening for fresh herbs and vegetables. A well-fed senior is a healthy senior. Threat number 7, transportation difficulties. Getting around the city can be a nightmare for seniors with mobility issues. Let's explore some options. Research senior-friendly public transportation options. Consider ride-sharing services with senior discounts. Look into community volunteer driver programs. For longer trips, don't forget about senior discounts on trains and buses. Keeping seniors mobile helps them stay independent and engaged with their community. Threat number 8, financial insecurity. Urban living isn't cheap, and many seniors struggle to make ends meet. Here's how we can help. Research local, state, and federal assistance programs. Consider part-time work opportunities suitable for seniors. Explore senior housing options with subsidized rent. Teach budgeting skills and how to avoid unnecessary expenses. Financial peace of mind can significantly improve a senior's quality of life. Threat number 9, air pollution. City air can be tough on aging lungs. But there are ways to minimize the impact. Check air quality reports daily and plan outdoor activities accordingly. Use air purifiers in the home. Encourage the use of masks on high pollution days. Advocate for green spaces in your urban community. Remember, clean air is essential for everyone, but especially for our seniors. Threat number 10, cognitive decline. The fast-paced urban environment can be overwhelming for seniors experiencing cognitive decline. Here's how to create a supportive environment. Establish routines to provide structure and familiarity. Use technology like GPS trackers for safety. Engage in regular mental exercises and social activities. Create a safe, clutter-free living space. With the right support, seniors can maintain their dignity and quality of life, even in the face of cognitive challenges. There you have it. Survival Scope Community, 10 serious threats facing our urban seniors, and how to tackle them head-on. Remember, knowledge is power, and being prepared is half the battle won. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Larry reminding you to stay safe, stay prepared, and keep thriving in the urban jungle.